Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can make hard reset for the settings. So at the first you have to grab your remote control and go for the right side to the right upper corner for the settings, then click OK. Next, I'm going to move my hand a little bit. You have to scroll down and you have to go simply for the device preferences. Right now when you are here you have to scroll down again. And here you'll find the reset option, so click OK on your remote control, and as you can see the reset remove all of our data. So you have to remember that if you are sure that you want to make the reset, just go below, click OK to confirm, and then tap to erase everything. Click OK again to confirm, and right now we have to be patient and just wait a little bit until the reset process will be finished. So we will be back soon. No w sumie tak.
Jakie jest hasło? HardReset.Info 11.
Factory Reset 7 powinno być.
Już zmieniliście, no i to jest napisane.
Serio? No to ja wiem. Nie mam pojęcia, ja nie zmieniałem. A możesz spróbować na HardReset.Info 1111 4 jedynki. I tam powinno być Factory Reset 7.
Ale kto to zmienia?
Nie wiem, ja też to wkurzam. Okay, and as you can see, the hard reset is finished. So right now you are able to make the first setup of your device, and as you can see it was very simple. So that's how we can make the hard reset for the settings in the Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.